Have you ever noticed a change in the air around late August? As summer ends, things start to feel a bit different. A calm, almost quiet energy. This isn't just by chance. On August 22nd, 2024, the sun moves into Virgo, starting a season that encourages us to focus, get organized, and improve our lives. Whether you've been enjoying the lively energy of Leo season or feeling a bit scattered and ready for some stability, this shift into Virgo is a chance to reset. In this video, we'll talk about what the sun in Virgo means for everyone, how it affects each zodiac sign, and how you can use this time to grow and succeed. So, what does it mean when the sun enters Virgo? It's not just another day on the calendar. It's a big change in energy. Virgo is an earth sign, which means it's all about being practical, paying attention to details, and helping others. When the sun moves into Virgo, it's like the universe is telling us to get serious and focus on what's important. Virgo's energy is about being careful, thoughtful, and organized. It's a time to work on improving ourselves, taking care of our health, and getting our daily routines in order. It's also a great time to clear out the clutter in our lives, whether that's physical stuff or emotional baggage, and make room for what really matters. The change from Leo to Virgo isn't just about moving from one zodiac sign to another. It's about a total shift in how we feel. We're moving from Leo's bold, expressive energy to Virgo's more grounded and practical approach. Leo season was all about having fun, expressing yourself, and enjoying life. But now, as the sun enters Virgo, the focus shifts inward. It's like the universe is saying, okay, you've had your fun. Now it's time to get back to business. Virgo's energy encourages us to look at the little things, refine our goals, and make sure our lives are on the right track. It's a time to be productive, take care of our health, and focus on the small steps that lead to big results. But how does this change affect each zodiac sign? The sun's move into Virgo influences everyone in different ways, but the main idea is the same. It's time to get organized, pay attention to the details, and make improvements in our lives. Here's a quick look at how Virgo season might affect each sign. Aries, focus on your daily habits and health. Pay attention to the little things in your work and take care of your body. Taurus, Virgo season is about creativity for you. This is a great time to work on artistic projects and bring more discipline to your creative work. Gemini, home and family life are in the spotlight. Use this time to tidy up your living space and strengthen your bonds with loved ones. Cancer, communication is key right now. Work on improving how you express yourself, whether through writing, speaking, or learning something new. Leo, the focus shifts to your finances. Take a good look at your budget, make necessary changes, and think about how you can better manage your money. Virgo, it's your season. This is a time for personal growth. Focus on taking care of yourself, setting new goals, and planning for the future. Libra, this is a time to look inward and heal. Focus on your mental health and think about how you can let go of any negativity. Scorpio, your social life is highlighted. Use this time to connect with friends, but be mindful of the details in your relationships. Sagittarius, career and public life take center stage. It's a great time to refine your professional goals and focus on the details that can help you succeed. Capricorn. This is a time to learn and expand your horizons. Focus on education, travel, or anything that broadens your perspective. Aquarius. Your focus shifts to change and shared resources. Pay attention to financial matters and think about how you can transform your life in meaningful ways. Pisces. Relationships are the main focus. Work on improving your partnerships and making sure your connections are healthy and supportive. Now that we understand the energy, let's talk about how you can make the most of Virgo season. Virgo is a time to get your life in order. So here are some simple tips to help you use this energy effectively. Organize your space. Virgo loves order, so take this time to tidy up your home or workspace. A clean space can lead to a clearer mind. Focus on health. Virgo is all about health and wellness. Pay attention to your diet, exercise, and overall well-being. Small changes can have a big impact. Set realistic goals. Virgo season is perfect for setting practical, achievable goals. Break your big dreams into smaller steps and start working on them one by one. Practice mindfulness. Virgo's focus on details makes this a great time to practice mindfulness. Notice the little things in life and appreciate the simple moments. Review your routine. Are your daily habits helping you? Use this time to adjust your routines so they support your overall well-being and success. If you follow those tips, you will align yourself with Virgo's energy and make meaningful progress in your life. Let's not forget about the important astrological events during Virgo season. These events add extra layers to Virgo's energy and can strongly influence our experiences. New Moon in Virgo, September 7th, 2024. This is a powerful time to set new goals related to health, work, and personal growth. Use this new moon to start fresh in these areas. Full Moon in Pisces, September 21st, 2024. The full moon in Pisces balances Virgo's practical energy. It's a time for spiritual reflection and emotional healing. Pay attention to your dreams and intuition during this time. Mercury retrograde in Virgo, August 23rd, September 15th, 2024. Mercury will be retrograde in Virgo for much of this season. Be careful with communication, expect delays, and take time to review and refine your plans. It's a good time to double-check details and avoid making big decisions. Each of these events offers a unique chance to connect more deeply with Virgo's energy, so make sure to keep them in mind. Now let's focus on something important: how you can use Virgo's energy for your personal growth. The energy of Virgo season is strong and ready for change, so here's how you can make the most of it. Improve your skills. Virgo season is a great time to focus on self-improvement. Whether it's learning something new, taking a course, or getting better at what you do, use this time to grow. Help others. Virgo is a sign that values service. Think about how you can help your community or those around you. Acts of kindness can bring a lot of fulfillment during this time. Focus on healing. Virgo's energy supports both physical and emotional healing. Whether it's starting a new health routine or working on personal issues, this is a powerful time for healing and growth. Keep it simple. Virgo appreciates simplicity and efficiency. Look for ways to simplify your life, whether it's reducing commitments, organizing your space, or simplifying your diet. Spend time in nature. Virgo is connected to the earth, so spending time in nature can be very grounding and refreshing. Enjoy the outdoors, garden, or simply appreciate the beauty of the natural world. let's take a moment to think about what this season really means. When the sun moves into Virgo on August 22nd, 2024, we're all encouraged to embrace a time of organization and personal growth. It's a time to focus on the details, take care of our well-being, and align our lives with our goals. Whether it's through setting new goals, refining our routines, or simply taking better care of ourselves, Virgo season offers us the chance to improve and grow in important ways. Remember, Virgo's energy is here to help us get better at what we do. By embracing this energy, we can make the most of this season and set ourselves up for success in the months to come. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from it. And as always, thank you for watching.